Across the windward courses today, Olympic sailing is undergoing a quiet revolution as foiling dinghies rewrite speed on windward courses. Where sailors once battled hulls' carbon foils now lift boats, demanding razor-sharp balance and data-driven decisions. Recent World Championships showcased record speeds, new rigs, and tactical moves that hint at Paris-level global competition. The human thread remains strong as veterans adapt to tech and younger riders merge science with instinct. This shift broadens participation and promises thrilling, faster races that redefine what it takes to win on the water.